Hello everyone, it's Rita, and today I'm participating in the Summer Kitchen Vignette Challenge hosted by Denise Jordan. Her channel name is This and That with Denise Jordan. I will link her channel below as well as the playlist. So let's begin. First I have this tray, as you can see here, and inside I did decoupage some paper from Hobby Lobby on that. And then I have these two little chickens from Dollar Tree. This is just a mason jar that I've chalk painted, tied some jute around it, and these are some flowers from Dollar Tree. The greenery, I believe, is from Walmart. This fresh milk sign, which is very heavy, it is concrete. I picked that up at Hobby Lobby. It has a cow on it. And this little sign came from Dollar Tree and it says, "Bless all who gather here." So the requirements for the challenge were, it must be on a tray, it must include florals, something with words, and a farm animal, or an animal. So this is what I've come up with today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. It was very easy to put together. Thank you so much, Denise, for hosting this challenge today. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you. Thank you to all my supporters. Please like, share, and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.